If you want to buy this 393-1600-393-1600 fuel injection pump compatible with Vector X2, X4 Ultra, and Cummins engines, check the link in the description. Fuel injection pumps are among the most critical components in diesel engines, responsible for delivering fuel at precise timing and pressure. Even small variations in fuel delivery can significantly affect engine efficiency, power output, and emissions. The 3,931,600 fuel injection pump is designed to meet these demands, providing reliable performance for Cummins engines, particularly the Vector X2 and X4 Ultra models. Diesel engines rely heavily on proper fuel atomization to achieve complete combustion. A high-quality pump like the 3,931,600 ensures that fuel is delivered consistently and accurately to the cylinders. This results in smoother operation, better fuel efficiency, and improved engine longevity. Engines running on older or worn-out pumps often experience power loss, rough idling, and increased fuel consumption. Installing a precision-engineered pump can address these issues and restore peak performance. The 3,931,600 fuel injection pump is manufactured to meet stringent OEM standards. This ensures compatibility with Cummins engines without the need for modifications or adjustments. A direct-fit design reduces installation complexity, allowing mechanics to replace worn-out pumps quickly and accurately. The precision engineering also ensures reliable performance under heavy load conditions, making it ideal for trucks, industrial machines, and other diesel-powered equipment. Durability is a key feature of this pump. Diesel fuel injection systems operate under high pressure and temperature, and pumps must withstand continuous cycles of operation. The 3,931,600 is built from materials designed to handle these extreme conditions, providing long-lasting performance and reducing the likelihood of unexpected failures. This is particularly important in commercial or industrial applications where downtime can lead to significant financial losses. Fuel efficiency is another major advantage of the 3,931,600. By delivering fuel in precise quantities, it promotes more complete combustion, reducing waste and lowering operating costs. Engines equipped with this pump often experience smoother power delivery, lower emissions, and more consistent torque output. For operators concerned about fuel costs or environmental impact, this pump offers a meaningful improvement. Compatibility with Vector X2, X4 Ultra, and Cummins engines ensures that the 3,931,600 integrates seamlessly into existing systems. Misaligned or incompatible pumps can cause uneven fuel delivery, engine knocking, or damage to internal components. By matching engine specifications, this pump minimizes such risks, maintaining performance and reliability. Maintenance and longevity are additional benefits of this design. The pump is engineered for straightforward installation and alignment, reducing time and labor costs. Routine maintenance is simple, following standard Cummins service schedules, and the pump's robust construction helps avoid frequent repairs or replacements over time. This translates into reduced operational costs and improved uptime for diesel-powered equipment. Another key aspect is emissions control. Diesel engines must meet increasingly strict environmental regulations, and accurate fuel injection plays a vital role. By ensuring precise atomization and timely delivery, the 3,931,600 reduces incomplete combustion, lowers particulate emissions, and supports cleaner engine operation. This is essential for operators needing to comply with regulatory requirements or seeking to reduce environmental impact. Performance consistency is also enhanced. Engines running on this pump maintain stable output under varying workloads. Whether the engine is idling, accelerating, or operating at peak load, the pump delivers consistent fuel pressure and timing. This results in predictable engine behavior, better drivability, and reduced strain on other components. The 3,931,600 also provides a cost-effective solution for engine operators. While some may consider aftermarket pumps to reduce initial expenditure, these alternatives often compromise performance and reliability. In contrast, the 3,931,600 provides long-term value through improved fuel efficiency, reduced maintenance, and extended engine life. The upfront investment pays off in lower operating costs and fewer unexpected repairs. For heavy-duty applications, this pump is particularly valuable. Long-haul truck